everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Bangkok's Chinatown. And we're gonna go take a look at the newest night market in this area, the Chaloem Buri, I think is how you say it. It means glorified city. And it's like a pop-up night market that's gonna be here through now until, I believe, April. And it's not too far away from where we are now. Here we are between Yaowarat Road and Charoen Krung. We're right over here by the MRT station that services the Chinatown. Anyway, we're gonna walk through here. I'll show you the area. It's a short little walk from here over to the night market. And it's a little early yet, but I wanted to get over here while we could still see and before it gets too crowded. So let's walk through here and let's kind of enjoy the evening. So over that way is Yaowarat, and that's where everybody's going to be here for Chinese New Year. And this is the kind of the area. There's street vendors, all that stuff all through here. And then you got the MRT station. It's Wat Man Khon MRT. And then we'll walk along the Charoen Krung. It's a couple hundred meters, maybe 400 or 500 meters, I'm not sure. But we'll be right over near the gate that opens up into Chinatown. But it's a cool area. They got all the red lanterns out. Of course, it's hectic because it is Chinatown here in Bangkok. There's shrines, there's all kinds of stuff all through here. You see, we got a shrine here. We got all the music playing. He's all dressed up in his red, doing his photos. And this is just a little shrine. It's open to the public, free to enter, so you can come over here. You can see the locals come over here and pray. They have the deities there. Yeah, really quite cool. Those are those massive Joe sticks there. They're burning them up there. Okay, let's keep on walking. And you can see all the storefronts and all their homes and everything all along the way. Some little restaurants. And this lady here, she does like, she's like a little beautician. Get your eyebrows done and facials and all of that. And then this is the Chinatown. It's a little marketplace. It has a Starbucks and KFC and everything in it. But we're not interested in that. We're gonna go to the night market. Some more of the ladies over here getting beautified. So you can buy you some crab and some of the lobster. So 1,500 baht for the big one. So like $45. And then get pork and chicken and shrimp and everything there. And more food, more shopping, everything. The whole area is just honeycombed with these little streets. Lots and lots of stuff to see. Selling the little streamers and paper lanterns. The guys selling the little amulets, little knickknacks and junk and stuff like that on the street. And some little Chinese pastries and Buddhas. And clothes, just the whole thing. Kind of, this is all Chinatown. Alright, so here we are. Here's the new gate. And over there is Wat Tamarit with the solid gold Buddha. And then this is the market over here. So it wasn't too far from the MRT to get over here. That's quite cool with the dragon over there. All that's made out of the flowers. And then the gate. So this is Songsawat Road. So whatever Sawat means, to Sawat. And then this right over here. And Yaowarat is just straight ahead. They have all the little awnings and stuff like that. Yeah, it's the sun's just going down. It's actually quite pleasant right now. Night markets are always great when you get over here in the evening when it's not so hot. You can walk around and shop and eat a little bit. And so this is Yaowarat Road. Get the bird nest soup. And you can see all the traffic. Chaloem Buri. Okay, so that's the intersection is Chaloem Buri. That explains the name. and it's just right here. So if you're on Yaowarat, you can just come over here, walk right into the night market. Yeah, so here we are. They got the moose satay, grilling that up. They're gonna have some sushi over there, the peanut ice cream. Oh, and some grilled shrimp and some deep fried shrimp. So you get a plate of that right there for 150 baht, so a bit more than $5. And he's grilling it or deep frying it right there. Yeah, it looks really nice. We got some grilled squid and octopus over here. So have it on ice, and then you just pick out what you want, and she'll grill it right up for you. So it's 70 baht, looks like, so a little bit more than $2. Yeah, I've never been here. This is brand new, so we'll get to see it for the first time. Some Thom right here. Look at that, and that's the papaya salad. So here's all your toppings right here. You can get the chili and the little shrimp and everything. And the blah with the, ooh, aloy mai? She tossed some peanuts on there. So look at this. Oh, she's getting like, wow, 6 chilies in there. Oh, that's going to be spicy. The long green beans and tomatoes. And then they just pop, pop, pop with that, that little pestle right there. And that's how they make it up. Yeah, nice little market. You got the little coconut pancakes, as they call it, the babin, Khlong babin. So it looks like one box for 40 baht, or you can get 3 for 100. This is the little box right here. And then the Khlong Bung, the little pancakes. You got the phoi tong and the coconut and everything in there. So one piece for 10 baht. Oh, these are always nice. So you got some pork and beef and chicken, little skewers for like 30 baht. The pork is 40 baht. And they'll grill them up, and then they have some more stuff that they're cooking over there. Some pad thai gung with the shrimp and the oysters, and then the mu grap. This is the pork belly, the crispy pork belly. So 100 baht for one whole piece of that. We've got a little bit of clothing and stuff like that. Here's the sugar cane. So they stick them in there and then they smash it down. And you can see it extracting the sugar cane juice. And then it comes out over there. And that's what you can buy. And they got some pomegranate juice, orange juice, everything else here. Oh, that's nice. And some touristy elephant pants. And the Chong shirts and wallets and stuff. Oh, this is kind of cool. They got some old historic photos of the old Chinatown back in the day. I've never seen these pictures. All the old rickshaws and everything. Early days, you got some old trucks and the manual rickshaws in there. Oh, that's cool. Kind of a little plaza here. Looks like they're gonna have maybe some live music playing here later on tonight. Looks like some pad thai, the seafood noodle pad thai. Yeah, so we got the fried vegetables there, and it's ringing a little seating area right here. So you can order food right there, sit down, enjoy it, and then they will have some live music right here. Not sure what time it starts. I didn't know they had this stage. And this is quite cool here. I've seen this before. So what they've done is they've merged like one person. You have a Chinese guy on one side, and then the traditional Siamese dancer or whatever on the other side. Yeah, that's quite cool. I like that. They got a little bit more seating here. Yeah, it's not overly huge, but it has the normal Thai favorites. Looks like we got some salapao and some tofu over here with some grilled bananas. Yeah, the normal Thai street food that you see. And it's not overly crowded yet, so this would be a nice thing. That's why we make it up here. Some fried rice, some egg fried rice. Get it with the crab if you want. And she also does the mama and the gapao. Oh, that's nice. And then she has that thick soup. The fish ball soup. And some sweet potato balls. This makes me feel like I'm in Taipei again. The sweet potato balls are at every night market there. That's like their go-to food. This is some pizza here. And then you got all the fruit, the jackfruit, the rose apple, pineapple. Yeah, the Thais call this champu, and it's the rose apple. 50 baht for one little bag is a bit expensive though. You got some dragon fruit and coconut and mangoes, mango smoothies. And you got some deep fried sweet potatoes, and these are the deep fried bananas, the goi tat. I really like that, and you can see over there she's deep frying them. And then some of the deep fried little fish patties, and some of the rice. Oh, I got durian. Let's see the durian. So $15 to $18 or so for the durian. And the jackfruit. Oh, and this is nice. This is the sweet mango with the sticky rice for 60 baht, or just the mangoes for 50. Oh, and look at that. That's the pomelo, or the som-o as the Thais call it. Oh, it looks delicious. 150 baht. We got here, he's deep frying the bugs back there. So the bugs are cooking up right next to the bananas. And he was making up some of the little grasshoppers. So you got the water skippers, the grasshoppers. You got the big, huge grasshoppers there. So this guy's ordering up some of the little coconut worms, I think is what those are. Oh, swadikap. Oh, we got the potato samosa. Oh, that's cool. The chicken. So these are one piece for 30 baht. Oh, it looks quite nice. And then she's got some little spring rolls, the vegetable and the chicken. So 4 of the spring rolls for 80 baht. And she's deep frying them right there. And then they got some more over there that will be prepped. Check that out. So they make some of the fried rice also with the shrimp and some tom yum goong. We'll finish up our video over here at this Chaloem Buri night market. This is pretty cool. It's like I said at the start, it's a pop-up market, and it will be here through April, I believe, is what I was told. So anyway, if you're over here in Chinatown, especially for Chinese New Year that's coming up, this would be a nice little stop. It's not as crowded as what Yaowarat Road will be, especially during the Chinese New Year. So it also has a great selection of food. So if you want some of the Thai street food, all the favorites, the pad Thai and gapao, all of that type stuff, then pop in here and try it out. And what's nice about these night markets is you can come over here, you can sample stuff that you may not get a chance to sample anywhere else. And if you like it, then you know what to buy. If you don't like it, you're not out a lot of money. So definitely, if you're in Chinatown, come over here and take a look at it. And if you like the video, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and you get to see some more stuff like this. And if you've been here, or if you have any questions or comments, ask me down below. And until next time, from over here in Bangkok's Chinatown, remember, life is a journey. So until next time, enjoy.